PNU kazi endelee. PNU kazi endelee.
Ivyo vi ya kiuteti no yende vala atiti kivathukanganio maende kuthama kuma siamani sio na kuthi siamani ingi wa oyu mituki ni bwana Kithiji Kiragu kwezi twengi KK na ula ukwi muthenyani wa umundi wakilanilya kuma chamani cha Jubilee na kuligana na chama cha PNU. KK na ula ukwitia kivila cha gavana kauntini ya Embu athokiswe chamani ki cha PNU ni ndongo ya chama ki bwana Peter Munya na ula oingi ni gavana wa kaunti ya Meru ndini wa Chathiki Mwanya na kila cha atwa hotelini wa Sarova Pan-Africa ula wiva musini wa Ilovi. Bwana Munya ainena ni waisekana chama cha PNU ni chama cha Kenya onde ati chama cha mba imwe.
Our party we also shun tribal politics. We believe every Kenyan who is in Kenya, working in Kenya, even working elsewhere, is not here by accident. So we don't believe in tribal politics that discriminate or discriminate other tribes or other communities in this country. We like to embrace every Kenyan as a brother and a sister because Kenya belongs to all of us. Kenya does not belong to just a select few or a select group or a select community. Kenya belongs to every Kenyan. Therefore, any development plan program that we do as a party will do to make sure that every Kenyan has a share of that cake.
Ayongela na kuweta kana chama kiki na maofisi ndini wa county kivathukanganio.
We have been opening parties across the country. We have opened county offices in all the Kenyan counties of Embu, Meru, Isiolo, Laikipia, Nyeri, Nyang'au, Kirinyaga, Murang'a, Kiambu. All those counties, we have functional offices that are already serving our members. People are registering, people are buying cards. Our party is growing. We are going next week to open our main office in Nakuru. We have several offices in Nakuru. We have an office in Naivasha and 2 offices in Nakuru Town. We are going to be in Nakuru on the bar on the 2nd of March to open our Nakuru office. We are going to, this coming weekend, we will be on the coast, opening our party office in Mombasa, Kwale, and the Kilifi. So on Saturday we open our Mombasa office, which is in Nyali. Sunday we open our Kwale office in Ukunda. And then Monday we open our office in Kilifi town.
Nake bwana Kithiji ni waisekana athamie chama ni cha Jubilee nundu wa kwitha na vuya kana nominations cia chama ki siketha cia uguo na aki. Oingi ni waisekana alikanile na PNU nundu ni chama kitonya kutoa akenya na mbe.
I have not left the party of Jubilee because of any ill feelings against anybody. But I have assessed that, I want to play a clean game and I want to be therefore in a political vehicle where the game will not be against me before I've kicked the ball or as I go about to score. And for that, I don't think there's anybody who did more effort in initially promoting Jubilee than I did. You saw it in my billboards across the country and so forth. But now the hour has come for me to do the reckoning. Because the most important thing for me as I come to politics is really to make a difference to the rights of our people.
Ndingo ibi ilini siya minana kwa sekana ikeda simu kwa tamba Uhuru wa Kenyatta. Ndini wasa kwa ni munene ula ukite matuko nyanya mwa nyanya mwaka uwa ngilili ne 11. Chili ni chama uvo kuma banza hoteli munene wa Sarova Pan-Africa. Ula iwa musini wa Ilovi ninye Erastus Kethoku wanzamo.